Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Southern Wealth. I hope you're having a very good week. I apologize, but I think I will need to shift the live stream to Friday or Saturday. I'm trying to hold it in, but my cough is really bad, so I don't think that's going to work out. But in any case, if you do enjoy the content, please consider dropping that like and subscribe. So thank you very much. So, what we've been seeing is continuous pressure in the bond market, which basically is bringing precious metals, stocks, everything down, as I mentioned. Now, we are approaching some dangerous levels on the S&P, close to the 4,200 mark, which should make us consider something a bit more problematic and aggressive if it starts to break below that level. I do think there's going to be some sort of intervention by the central banks. However, this is not guaranteed, so it can keep going down. But as I mentioned, don't look at what everybody talks about, liquidity crisis, banking crisis, real estate crisis. No, look at the bond market, because that will tell you exactly what's going to happen in the other markets. Now, you have a lot of competing forces selling treasuries. You have the Fed as part of the QT. You have the Treasury of the US, because they need to issue debt to pay off the deficits, and other countries which are now incentivized to get rid of their US dollar debt and US dollars in general as part of their de-dollarization process. So that means that there's a lot of supply and not so much demand. Now then you can listen to people like Stephen Meter and Harry Dent for all the theories. But then if you actually understand the dynamics at place, it becomes very obvious why you see the action that we are seeing. Now, as mentioned, 4,200 is a very important level on the S&P, so it's a level to look at. If it starts breaking down decisively, it's, in my opinion, a reason to start to be concerned. Now, I would like to point attention to the crypto market, because this shows you exactly how the end of a recovery year looks like. So, this similar price action on the bond market in 2022 would have crashed crypto completely. But you see it actually being quite resilient. Now, it's not going up, it's not going down materially, it's about staying flat while everything else is collapsing. But this is not a reason to celebrate or anything like that, but just to point out exactly what I mean by the end of the recovery year. See, things that used to destroy the price action completely now are starting to have reduced impacts as we gear towards the new bull market. Now, there has been some questions around XLM, which, by the way, has the same founder of XRP, but in any case, I will address that in a different video. I just wanted to clarify something on that one, which is I am rooting for XRP. I do hope XRP does very well. I have my own reasons not to think it will create generational wealth, but in my opinion, it's not a scam, good following, and I'm in favor of crypto. So if crypto does well, I'm happy. Even if it's another project that I'm not involved, I'm not part of the tribes fighting for what's going up, what's going down, that kind of stuff. But in any case, today I wanted to make a short video. This is a perfect example why we are about to end the recovery year. I think there's still potential for one more movement to the downside, but that should be about it. And in any case, September is proving not to be that terrible of a month that everybody was expecting. However, by the same token, October is typically viewed very positively, so we need to be careful, because there's going to be, I think, the chance that people get convinced that we are actually going to have, an extreme good October. I hope so. Don't get me wrong, I really hope so. But understand that when everybody's talking and asking and predicting the same things, just like they were for September to go down, then these things tend not to happen. You need everyone convinced on one side of the trade for the opposite to happen. Never forget. So guys, today was a bit of a shorter video. I'm sorry, but my throat is really killing me. Thank you very much for following, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.